Hey guys, what's up? This is Only the Truth with you all this evening. Tonight we're going to be going over an interesting case out of Bogota, Colombia. I think I'm saying that right. It happened this year, but back in January. I'll put all the case details down in the description of this video. So this case is a little bit different than cases we usually do. I just thought I'd try something a little bit different here. If you remember back, I don't know, I think it was 10 years ago, maybe 15 years ago, back in, I think it was May of 2006, there was this case of this witch flying up a hill, a supposed witch, you know, like your classic witch on a broom kind of thing. Here, let me show you that footage. I know that this occurred over Mexico City. Really creepy case. I mean, it looks just like a witch, but you know, could it just be like a group of balloons, like party balloons, and this guy's just filming a cluster of balloons that are just going up a hill? And you know, this new case that we're looking at, could that just be the same thing? Granted, this older case looks a lot more like a witch, but there's parts in this new case where it looks like a witch too. Here, check out this photo. To me, that looks like a witch. I mean, it looks like a witch on a broom. And maybe she's like going up the hill, scanning the forest for any children that are, you know, playing in the forest that shouldn't be, or something like that, you know. I like to be real serious and tell you guys the truth, you know, and like just like get down to the nitty-gritty what something is and what it isn't. But you know, this being Latin America, being a case from Latin America, you know, there's a lot of strange stuff that happens down there, and I just thought it'd be kind of interesting to come at it from this perspective, though take it with a big old grain of salt, because you know, we could just be looking at a drone or some balloons or something in both cases. I don't know. Well, 2006, that older case, I don't think people had drones back then. If they did, they were really expensive. But this newer case, it could be a drone. Anyways, guys, is this a witch? I don't know, but I'll leave that up for you all to decide. I thought this was fun. I thought it was different. I hope you guys enjoyed. Anyways, this is Only the Truth, signing out. Have a good night, and watch out for witches.